So you've now had a chance, I hope, to hear both the message of the Prophet and the SPLA by Commissioner Martin Bashort. Their messages are both directed primarily towards Major General Paulino Matip Nial. Shortly thereafter, I had an opportunity to go and visit Paulino Matip at his military headquarters in Mayom, and I went with part of the Rumbek team on the Civilian Protection Monitoring team on which I was serving. And there I presented him with the permission of my superior on the team to listen to the messages and to offer a response. It was quite interesting for me. That's the first time and the last time I ever met Paulino Matip Nial. And he was surrounded in this area by, I'd say, about 5 northern Sudanese military generals and assorted other people. But what was amazing was that, we could have this discussion in Nur. I didn't reveal to the northern soldiers my knowledge of Arabic, so it was quite helpful to sort of keep tabs on what they were saying about what was going on. Matip listened to the tape, and he has responded now, and that is what you're going to hear. He responded rather calmly. He didn't really address the request by both of these people for him to begin to rein in Gadet. However, he does respond with a very strong support of the Prophet himself and assures him that his home will not be attacked. But he also mentioned something which I should explain. He says that there was a point where there were 800 SPLA soldiers coming in from Dinka areas into part of the Bull place in Rodney Bull. This did happen. It was documented by the Civilian Protection Monitoring team at the time. But I think that troop movement in and out was basically a response to the fact that Peter Gadet Yaka had suddenly shifted from the SPLA side to the Khartoum side of this war by going as an individual from Nairobi to Khartoum. So you'll hear references to that. So I hope you listen. If nothing else, you have the voice of a very famous historical figure, which is Paulino Matip Nial. Thank you.
Chiridu chaling yin gada. Chaling ngayo te cheka to di kalat ko jin urmadi chang ngayo di kalat di rodu marka mashakal bitakum. Mashakal bitakum ngaye je mana tuga mi wena dor mana mi chi jinu na dia le chi ga jen ngaram kai le ko jen mi wa dor hin tira na da nyos ka dob jinu fu jinu ade ku she de ku la nga she ga ta ni te ne ye me nan le nga ron ma cho dang sit ka je da ngai ba u de ngai wur ma din ma te chang de ku ngara me ya wa dor che ngai mấy yên mất là nó thua miếng nương ở giang nó cur bật đặc kia cái nương khi bắt tên này rồi như bọn nương nó cur kia nương nó điều ngô kẹt đâu đó mới được điên vậy cái quý bút là cái đó đấy anh qua được pha ở Junub Sudan tin Kabe Kandial tin Nuer Kabe Kanaka Nater Kabe Kanaka Nater lagada low lagada pangak lagada batiu lagada wow kwela mashakil buledi ramari de mashakil bulamo aje moy roide min chala aje moy rajawu to ne la ke akai ke roide de kon la re e kon di ko kulu nyure ra de kulu nyurar kon dia la kon jinub na kon dia ma we wan wara kon wara cái chia đàn thấy chọc ra rồi nó cái đó này cái u này để nhú ra điều cũng là nhú đây ra để thả nào nhú ra cả tu cái nó là mà vậy giờ we đun ni đi đó mà chả là rồi vậy bây giờ cái nó cái gì cái đàn thì làm cái gì anh nói chuyện á làm là bảo có bấm mẹ thằng này u này cái chi nó dặn cái gì mà chót cái này buổi đó nhà cái mà cả cô lên ở bãiอยู่นั่งcái nó bảo cô chủ năng cỏ anh chơi ngay anh mà chắc cái lắm ấy je ina je nu ma ji chieng pal je ina je nu cha ga ra cha ga bi nyok bil ku ma ti chang ye ti ra ma da dam pe ka ti ra ma da ga dam ti de ga te kon de ka nyur chang mo chi bur nyur tar ja do e du nu ji ra du chi nei te tin e wi ta tar ja da wani e du nu ka ra du chi nei te tin min pa li chieng me du ga ra ni pa li chieng o pa len chieng me du ga ra ka ma te ma lu wi ne je o men pa li chieng go le bi la ko chang kel chang ba na ru ko na o di ra lo ngo ji na lu no ga chang ne du ku me ele me nyi yo ga ra me cha ga ra jo ya nyur chi no kun yen chap ti la ma gor ya dun ka ti la ma gor pan kun ka ti la ma gor be la ya puro kon mi ro ko mi da re wa na me bang nyen ko re ka ro ya me at ke ji mo to ko ma ya cho le te ke ji nu ne ja lao na ji nu ne ko ne ta ka tum na ma le ji nu ra ro ko mo we me chi na dia la ja lao na ta me ji nu ne to ta re ro ma ga ja lao na ti la ma de long yen ji nu ra an gu ro ai pe wa na mo ro ai na to na tin cha la ke liu de ti ka tho re dien ma ye je tin chok ron chi ro ai pe wa